So in today's video, I want to show you how to enter someone's WhatsApp account. I will not use the hack word for this method because I want to record this video, or I want to show you this video or technique for only educational purpose, not for something wrong. Just you should use this in the wrong way for this one. And also we can use this in our family. For example, my younger brother is using something, and also he is using WhatsApp on the wrong way. I will control, it means on that person, what he is doing, so I must control over him. So I wanna, it means enter to his WhatsApp account, but that he will not understand or knowing about that who is entered to my WhatsApp account. For this I should click on these three dots. For this you should come here and click on the link device, and after this again you should click on the link device. So here the system wants pattern or code for me. When I open, there is a QR code. So I don't have QR code. For this I must click here, the down one here, so the last one here. So link with phone number, instead you should click on it. And after this, here the system wants a code from me to log in that system. But so for this, so we should go back. I want to enter to my brothers. There is my brother. I want to go back. So this is my brother. I want to enter to his account, but I will click on it, and after that I should click on edit profile. Here I must click on it here, and after that, so here these three dots, you should click on these three dots, and after that, guys, here the verify security code, you should click on it. When you click here there, but so the last here, the compare a 6 digital number, you should click on this. And do you know, guys, here are some codes. These codes you can search and you can find, and also you can try on these codes. You will enter there, but when you enter or find the security code of that WhatsApp account, then you can enter to that WhatsApp account easily. So but this is an easy method that you can log into someone's WhatsApp account easily. Thank you for watching.